Hello, my beautiful girls and handsome boys. So, how are you? I hope you are doing well. So, I have brought a new project for you. The project name is UPI Fraud Detection System, and you can say Payment Fraud Detection System. As of now, we all know that in India, that is one of the famous payment system is UPI through Google Pay, through Phone Pay, through Paytm, and different UPI methods, different payment method. And we all know that sometimes UPI is also not trustable. Sometimes like someone pays us and they say that we didn't got the payment. Sometimes they make fraud, they cheat, they take the money and they block you. So this is one of the best project, which is UPI fraud detection project. UPI fraud detection, UPI prediction system. You can say what will happen in this, what is this project, how does this project look like, everything I will tell you in this video, my friend. So first of all, first question, that what is this project based on? So this project is based on machine learning algorithm. This project is based on machine learning technique, machine learning domain. So before going to deep into this project, I want you to come with me for this. You have to search one finalproject.in and you will find out this one of the best website in all over the world. Yes, and we have helped more than 5,000 students. We give projects, we give code, we give documents, we help in research paper writing, articles, publishing, and even thesis. Whatever student need in college or university, we help those students. So if you need anything, do let us know. You can go to our website. You can find our WhatsApp, our mail, everything. Even our phone number is given. You can contact us, and we are ready to help you guys. Even you can go to our sorry. Even you can go to our YouTube channel, and you will find out we have lots of great machine learning, blockchain, data science, cryptography, cybersecurity, different computer science domain projects. And if you need this project, you can just reach out to us through mail, through WhatsApp, through phone number, through call, and we will give you this project. Okay, we want you to get good marks. We want you to don't take stress. Let us take stress for you. Let us help for you. Let us give services to you. So now let's come. So what you have to do, if you don't have this project, ping us, message us, call us, WhatsApp us, and we will send this project to you. Okay. After taking this project, you have to just download and keep it in your system, and then you have to download and install Visual Studio Code. So this is Visual Studio Code, means IDE, where you will run your project. Okay. Then what you have to do after downloading this project, you have to click on file, you have to click on open folder, and you have to open this project folder. Simple. File, open folder, you have to open this project folder. So this is full stack project, means there is a front end, there is a back end. For front end, we have used HTML, CSS, JS, and for the back end, we have used Python. Okay. So what you have to do, you have to click on this app.py, and then you have to click on open integrated terminal, and then you have to give one small command, which is python 3 space app.py. So when you will do this, so you will be flabbergasted, awestruck, and you will think what you get. So you will get a running on this link. So either you hit on this link, click on this link, follow this link. If not, just simple copy this link. Go to your website. Go to your web page. Means go to your Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Safari, Brave browser, and in the new tab, just simply click on the enter. So when you will do that, a home page, a web page, or you can say this website type page will open to you. So you can see in the right hand side, we have UPI fraud detection system. Okay. So you have to give, suppose that transaction are, and suppose that at 3 transaction day, suppose that transaction day is 25th October 25th, transaction month. Okay, transaction month, suppose that it was you can say 10th transaction year, suppose this is 2024. Okay, so transaction amount, suppose that this is the transaction amount which is of 2000 rupees. Okay, 2000 you can say as a amount. UPI number, suppose that there is an amount UPI number 989 you can put anything, means 10 digit as a UPI number you have to keep. Let's suppose I keep 98765432210. Okay, and I will hit on the predict. See, I have given a random UPI number, I have given a random year time, and it's shown me fraud. Got it? Got it. So this is UPI fraud detection system. Okay. And if you want to check that is this system is correct or not, you can take this project, you can give your input, you can give the details, and you will find out that your transaction or the payment you have made or the payment you received from any user, so that is a fraud or not fraud. Okay, this project have very large uses. This project have many benefit and advantages. The number one is this project can be used by any banking system app. This project can be used by any stock, any even you can say Bitcoin, or even you can say as a cryptocurrency app. This project can be used by any Paytm, PhonePe, Google Pay payment method who does every per day who have lots of in millions if they have a transaction. And the last, suppose that they are not able to find out that they are getting payment that is legitimate or that payment is right or wrong, so they can use this project and then they can find out that that UPI which they got or the money which they got, that is correct or not. Okay, now same as that, you can put as many as times of input and you will get that transaction is fraud or not fraud. Okay, now what you have to do, what will happen, suppose that this project will connected with a mobile application, bank application, payment method application, UPI application. So those who will do the payment, their details will get added into the data set, or their details will get added into server or data system or storage system. And when you will find out that you got the payment or not, as this will be connected to the bank's application, bank server, so when you will input your details, so if that data, if that system, if that UPI number or that transaction is in the bank server or bank data, so this will tell you that that is a not fraud or fraud. Got it? So now what you have to do? Now what you have to do? Now you have to go to this site. You have to go to this YouTube channel and you have to contact us for this project through WhatsApp, through phone number, or through mail. Okay. Suppose that if you want to explore more projects, so what you have to do, you have to click on this playlist and you have to hit on Python project, full stack machine learning project or machine learning project, and you will find out that we have more than 50 different types of machine top trending and best project. And if you need this any project, any of this project, you just have to WhatsApp us, call us, message us, mail us, and we will send you this project. But see, we are giving you services, we are giving you our time and work. You have to pay small amount, okay, and we will give it to you. Suppose that if you face any issue, any error, any problem, you just have to contact us and we are ready to help you out. Our team is here to help you out, guys. Okay, suppose that if you need only code or documents or any of the files, you have to contact us and we will give it to you for a very small amount. Okay, and at last, if you have any new requirement, if you want some enhancement, if you want some features, you can contact us and we will give it to you guys. I hope you understand this. This project is based on research paper. We have read research paper. We have made this project for you guys. Okay. So at now come here. I will explain something. See, in this project, what happened? I have also made a you can say code for making the model. So you can make the model, we can integrate, means first we have made the model, then we have integrated with the front end and the back end, and we are getting the input and output for that. So before that, I want to show you something. We have used in this project 4 different types of machine learning algorithm: random forest, logistic regression, decision tree, and SVC. Four algorithms we have used, guys. So suppose that if you want to check that like confusion matrix, if you want to check the accuracy in prediction, so you will give one small command which is Python 3 space and 4 algos dot py, and just wait a second, see what you will get. So confusion matrix for random forest, okay. Then wait a second. Then confusion matrix for logistic regression, confusion matrix for decision tree, confusion matrix for sport vector machine. Okay. And after that, you will get a graph with the accuracy in prediction, which was the best, which was the lowest. Such a good, such a best, such a top class project you can take, guys. And then, so when you will click here, you will get this random forest have high accuracy. We have a logistic regression accuracy. We have a support vector machine accuracy. And we have also decision tree accuracy. Such a good project you can take. And now, if you need this project, don't forget to contact us. We will send you this project for a very minimum charge. Okay. If you need any project, do let us know. If you have a new work, new requirement, new idea, anything which your professor, your mentor, or even you have an assignment, let us know. Let us make it for you. Okay. Thank you so much. Please contact us. Please give us chance to help you out. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much.